All have got the Anuswara. 305.
Ahankartaryasmin ahamiti matim munchasahasa Vikaratmanyamapratipadayushi Vastitimushi Yadasyasakraka janibudhijara dukha bahuma Sati jastin mute savatu katano samprutidiyam अहं कर्तर्यस्मिन् अहमिति मतिं मुञ्चतः सा विकारात्मन्यात्मप्रतिफलयुषि स्वस्तिमुषि यदस्यासा प्राप्ता जनिवृतिजरा दुःखबहुला प्रतीचश्चिन्मूर्ते तव सुखतनो संस्कृतिरियम्
It is ahankara that doesn't allow the direct cognition, experience of our Ananda Swarupa. This is being described at length. So for you, do you know who you are? Pratichaschinmurtehe sukhatanoho hotu. Your samsara is because of this. First, you decide whether you have got samsara or not. Have you got? Sure. That you are sure. Samsara is there or not. What is samsara? Don't you know? Husband, wife, children, not samsara. Existence of sorrow, joy, limitation, tension, confusion, getting subject to janma, marana. That is what samsara. A grahastha may be a samsari. A sannyasi may be bigger samsari. So it's possible. So samsara means ajnana. Ajnana of what? Atma Swarupa. Ajnana. So that is how samsara should be equated. Not with other aspects. Because a person who has got Atma Jnana is a samsari. A person who has no Atma Jnana is samsari. There may be, many may be on the path of gaining knowledge. But so long as they don't have Atma Jnana, they are samsari. Even if a mumukshu sannyasi is a samsari, so long as Atma Jnana is not there. Janaka, Grihastha, not even Grihastha with great responsibilities of empire, a samsari, right? Atma Jnana was there. That is the criteria, not these other aspects. For you, who are you? Pratichas chinmatrehe chinmurtehe sukhatano. You who is sukhatanu. Tanu means body. Here sukha body means here sukha swarupa. I don't know whether you know, Lord Shiva is called Nadatanu. Nadatanu. Nadatanu means what? Nada Swarupa. Music originated from Lord Shiva. That is Nadatanu. Therefore, a great musician is at times given a title, Nadatanu. A great musician is also given a title, Nadatanu. Here, Sukhatanu, whose Swarupa is nothing but Ananda and Ananda only, totally free from sorrow. Sukhatanu Hot. And what are you Sukhatanu? What type of Sukhatanu? Pratyak Pratichaha Chinmurte. Pratichaha is sixth case of Pratyak. Chinmurte, sixth case of Chinmurte. Now what is Pratyak Chinmurti? You may not know this word in familiarity, but you are aware of one familiar word. Pratyak Chaitanya, Pratyak Chetana, that itself is what? Pratyak Chinmurti. Now what do you mean by Pratyak Chetana? What do you mean by Pratyak Chaitanya? What do you mean by Pratyak Chaitanya? You know, Chaitanya Tattva, a that cognitive principle, the pure awareness principle, the knowledge principle. But when that adjective pratyak is added, what is it? As a word pratyak also you may know. You are familiar with these two words, pratyak and para. And meaning also you know. Pratyak, internal, parak, external. What is internal, what is external, don't ask at all. So, but this much you know, pratyak is internal, parak is external. Now, what is that internal? You may say, Panchakosha Viveka. Annamaya Kosha is the parak, that is most external. Then comes the Pranamaya Kosha, internal, pratyak. Then comes Manomaya Kosha, internal. Then comes Vijnanamaya Kosha, internal. Then comes Anandamaya Kosha, internal. Then comes Chaitanya Sarupa, most pratyak. Is it not? That is there. In short, pratyak Chaitanya means Chetanam Chitta Riktam hi. Pratyak Chetanam Uchyate. Chetanam, Chaitanya. Chaitanya is now also Chaitanya is there. No. Chitta Riktam. Chaitanya divide out, free from, Chittam Antakara. Chaitanya coupled with mind, Antakarana is not called Pratyak Chetana. Chaitanya without, that is Chit, Antakarana is called what? Chetanam Chittariktam hi Pratyak Chetanam Uchyate. Therefore he says, Nirmanaska Svabhavoyam. It is Nirmanaska Svabhavoyam. It is something which is totally free from mind. Na tatra kalana malaha. Nirmanaska Svabhavoyam na tatra kalana malaha. That Pratyak Chetana, mala, impurity of kalana. Kalana means all the comprehensions of drishya. Whatever you know in terms of nama rupa atmaka drishya jagat, that comprehension is called as what? Kalana. So therefore, what is Pratyak Chetana? Pratyak Chaitanya is the Chaitanya free from all the superimposed nama rupa atmaka. So your Swarupa is what? He says, Pratichaha Chinmurte. You are nothing but Pratyak Chaitanya Swarupa Atma. So Pratichaha Chinmurte Tava. And what is your Swarupa? Sukhatano. Sukhatano. Ananda Swarupa. Paramananda Swarupa. Iyam Samsriti. This Samsriti, what is the third line? Which has come to you like this. What type of Samsriti it is? Not Samsriti. Samsriti means samsara. Samsriti means samsara. This Samsriti, what Samsriti it is? Jani, Mriti, Jara, Dukkha, Bahula. Plenty. Limitless. No restriction. Like in some hotel, unrestricted food. They charge you, taking into account, you will eat 10 times the normal person. And that much charge is it. And how much you will eat afterwards. So that's what they say. Unrestricted food. Unrestricted. Like that. Here also, no limit. Unrestricted. But what are those unrestricted things? Jani is what? Janma, Mriti, Marana, Jara, old age, Dukkha, don't ask, Bahula, plenty. across it. Full of abundant punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. And janma marana means jara is boundless. And janma marana jara means dukkha is inevitable. See, janma means, what do you mean by janma? You are stuck up with embodiment or not? When you are stuck up with embodiment, can you ever hope to be free from sorrow? Bhagavan Krishna says, why are you unnecessarily praying to me to get me, Bhagavan, rescue me from sorrow, etc. I already put a board. That is what? He has put a board, you know what is that? This jagat is what? Ashashvatam dukkhalaya. This jagat is impermanent and alaya is what? Abode of sorrow. And we are asking for permanency and happiness. Satya Sai Baba used to give an example. Somebody was very hungry and when he went to a canteen and waiter came, sir, what can I give you? He said, look, I am very hungry. I want masala dosa, but until that masala dosa gets ready, it takes time. First give me idli sambar. And afterwards what? Masala dosa. Waiter said with all sympathy, sir, did you not see the board outside? You know, what is the board? Non-vegetarian military canteen. Non-vegetarian military. So like that, the Bhagavan has put a board in this jagat. Dukkhalayam ashashvatam. And we are every moment ordering Bhagavan sukha and freedom from sorrow. What can I do? Wrong address. So you have come at a wrong. Anityam asukham lokam imam prapya bhajasvama. Lord Krishna says, Anityam asukham imam lokam. That is the board. Anityam asukham lokam imam prapya. Have you got doubt that you have come in this world? This world which is anitya and asukha. Therefore what? Having committed the mistake, think of the means to get out of it. What you do? Mam bhajasva. Mam bhajasva means what? Seek me. And who is that me? It is your Swarupa also. Don't think some God sitting in the heaven is asking you to what? Seek him or pray him or so that is bhajasva, etc. No, it is your Swarupa. Anityam asukham lokam. So that will say jani mriti jara dukkha bahula. That's why janma, marana, old age, dukkha, if it comes, we need not get surprised. If joy comes, if happiness comes, if peace comes, we should be surprised. How come? This is Anityam Asukham Loka. How come happiness has come? Thank your stars. Okay. Thank your stars. It has come. This Janimriti Jara Dukkha Bahula Samsar, from where it has come? Yadadhyasa Prapta. Yadadhyasa Yadadhyasati Yasya Ahankarasya Adhyasa. Yadadhyasati Yasya Ahankarasya Adhyasa. Because of superimposition of which Ahankara. This Samskriti, what type of Samskriti? Jani Mriti Dukkha Bahula Iyam Samskriti Prapta, that we have got. Therefore, now this Janma Marana Dukkha Bahula Rupa Samsara is on account of what? Ahankara. And do you want to cling to this Ahankara? What you do now? Just get rid of this Ahankara as soon as possible. और देखेंगे बाद में, suppose you have got migraine and suppose there is a remedy. that also have to say suppose remedy. Then suppose there is a remedy. Would you like to delay? You want to get rid of it as early as possible. So therefore, if the samsara is jani mriti jara dukkha bahula, it should be got rid of as early as possible. Therefore it says asmin. Therefore, what you do, give up this ahankara. Same thing is explained at length. Asmin, in this. What is that? Ahankara. Asmin ahankartari. In between, many adjectives to that ahankara are there. Asmin, in this. What is that ahankartari? What type of ahankara? Vikaratmani. Ahankara, which is vikara Swarupa. Vikaratmani. Again, Atma Pratifala Jushi. Which has got Atma Pratifala Jushi. Jushi means Grahini. Which has got in itself Atma Pratifala. Pratifala is Pratibimba. Reflection. This ahankara, which has got reflection of Chaitanya, Chidabhasa. See, we have seen already, ahankara is an antakarana vritti. An antakarana vritti which takes the body, whether gross or subtle or causal, this embodiment as I. Any antakarana vritti by itself is inert in nature. But when you take ahankara, this body as I, that antakarana vritti is not inert. That means no antakarana vritti is inert. Why? Atma pratifala jushi. It has got grahana, it takes to itself pratifala, pratibimba of Atma Chaitanya. So therefore, when you say, I am so and so, do you feel that you are inner? Is it not universal experience that whatever that we take as I is Sachetana? You know why? In that ahankara vritti, so reflection of Chaitanya is there, what is called as Chidabhasa. Abhasa, semblance of Swarupa Atma. So therefore, ahankartari, what is that? Vikaratmani, Atma pratifala jushi. And do you know what this fellow does? Ahankara, swasthiti mushi. Swasthitim, swaswarupam, bushnati. You know what is bushnati? Steals, robs away. Number one chore. Ahankara is number one thief. Why? It robs away swasthiti, swaswarupa. And what is that swaswarupa? Sukhatanu pratyak chinmotin matra murti. Our swarupa of what? This is pratyak chaitanya swarupa, which is nothing but ananda swarupa. Swasthiti mushi ahankartari. In this ahankara, this ahamiti matim, the notion that I am this, sahasa muncha. Without any delay, give up. Don't delay. Why? Already robbed. Only the consolation is this wealth is endless. This wealth, what is that? Sukhatanu, Chinmatra, Paramanda Sarupa is what? Limitless. So therefore, this ahankara cannot really rob, but what does it do? It denies you temporarily. How long temporarily? जाने दो 1 घंटा, until you gain Atma Jnana. And that until when? God only knows. Bhagwan भी बोलेगा, I don't know. I told you the remedy, then you take to the remedy. Why you want me to handle the file? You know, everybody's file, Bhagwan has to handle. He has got assistant Chitragupta. Chitragupta. But final boss is who? Parameshwara. So therefore, if one person gets liberated, Bhagwan says, one file is less. He can close the file. Muktaha, file closed. Like in the police station, criminal deceased, file closed. So before the verdict can be given, criminal deceased, file closed. So here it is not that way. Muktaha, file closed. That was it. Sahasa muncha. Same thing, to make it further clear, is described in some other words.
तदैकरूपस्य चिदात्मनो विभो आनन्दमूर्तेरनवद्यकीर्ते नैवान्यथा प्राप्य विकारिणस्ते विनामस्यातमनुष्य समुद्रुतिः अन्वय सदा एकरूपस्य चिदात्मनः विभोः आनन्दमूर्तेः अनवद्यकीर्तेः अविकारिणः ते
अमुष्य
अहमध्यासं विना अन्यथा संस्कृतिः क्वापि न एव. Again, सदा एकरूपस्य चिदात्मनः विभोः आनन्दमूर्तेः अनवद्यकीर्तेः अविकारिणः ते अमुष्य अहमध्यासं विना अन्यथा संस्कृतिः क्वापि न एव.
You are Ananda Swarup. Other, on account of Adhyasa, you have what? Samsara. Ahamadhyasa. On account of I notion, you have what? Adhyasa. Samsara. Other than this I notion, you can never have samsara. I notion is on account of what? Adhyasa. So that means the main reason of you with Ananda Swarupa suffering samsara is on account of superimposition of I notion. There is no other reason whatsoever. That is what is to be done. Destroy the reason. Get rid of the reason. Who are you? Sada Ekarupasya. Always whose nature is Ekarupa, changeless. Sada Ekarupa, always of the same Swarupa, Ekarupa. What is that same Swarupa? Chidatmanaha, Chit Swarupasya, Chaitanya and Chaitanya alone. What do you mean by Chaitanya and Chaitanya alone? Alone means something else is not there. What is that something else is not there? Adhyastha Prapancha, including Ahankara. Adhyastha Jagat, including Ahankara, is not there in Chaitanya. So that's why Sada Eka Rupasya Chidatmanaha. And do you know, where are you? Vibho. Vibhu. Vyapakaha. Vibhu has got two meanings. Vyapakatvat Vibhu. Vividham bhavati asmat iti Vibhu. Vyapakatva, all pervasive. More pervasive than even space. That is one meaning. See, in the creation, the most pervasive thing is what? Space. Here, this is much more pervasive than space because it is the basis for this all-pervasive space. See, space is in the realm of creation. Creation is superimposed in Brahma. But do you know, in just one part of Brahma, Jagat is creation is superimposed. Pado Savishwa Bhutani Tripadasya Divi Vishwa Bhutani, entire Jagat is Asya Padaha. Literally Pada means a quarter. We did not take as a quarter, just a small portion. Tripad, rest Brahma is without the superimposition of Adhyastha Jagat. Don't think Jagat is superimposed on entire Brahma, no. Just a small portion of Brahma, Jagat is superimposed. And the Jagat you see, all galaxies and cosmos, how far they, and that all vast Jagat creation is only a small, it is Jipad Amrutam Divi. The rest of the portion of Brahma is what? Without the superimposition of the Jagat. So that is your Swarup. Think of it. If I say, so Vibho, that is one meaning of Vibhu. Other meaning is Vividham Bhavati Asmat iti Vibhu. The one from whom Vividha Jagat is born. The one from whom the world of multiplicity is born. The world of duality is born. Vividham Bhavati Asma means what? Now think of it, you are Vibhu. And you are the one from whom entire Srishti is born. No, Swamiji, how is it possible? I am one among the creation. So, in the Srishti, I am insignificant creature. Is it not? Just think of the vastness of the cosmos, in which even one galaxy is just nothing. In one galaxy, there is one solar system. That is nothing. In one solar system, one earth is nothing. In one earth, say one continent is nothing. In one continent, one nation is nothing. In one nation, Greater Bombay is nothing. So in Greater Bombay, Andheri is nothing. In Andheri, 10 by 10 square feet flat is nothing. And in that flat, in one corner, this fellow there, nothing. Even on map, you can't put a dot. That dot will be million times big than what you are. Is it not? Is it just vastness? So how insignificant? That is because ahankara. You are identifying with the embodiment. But do you know who you really are? That Chaitanya, which is the Adhisthana for entire cosmos. Vibho Vividham Bhavati Atma. So look, Vedanta doesn't tell this, doesn't tell all this at the risk of repetition just for nothing. It has got its vision. It knows our Swarupa, and it also knows how stupid we are. In spite of telling, we are not ready to discover it. And it's all motherly love, with 1,000 mothers' love. See, it tells us this is what it is, this is what it is, this is what it is. A mother's love also is selfish. Okay. Parents' love is noble, but still some tinge of selfishness. But as far as Shruti is concerned, Upanishads are concerned, Vedas are concerned, this is not there. What Veda has to get from this? Who gave Veda? Ishvara. What Ishvara is going to get out of this? Thank you from you? You can thank you provided you know the worth of it. He has to break his head if at all he has got. Why? He's Nirupadhika, that's why I said. He is Nirupadhika. So he has so what is that? So that is not, and yet he is doing the thankless job. He is doing the thankless job. Vibhu, Vyapaka, Vividham Bhavati Asmati. That's why I say, have Shraddha in Shruti. I may not understand, but it is Ishwarokti. Let me try to discover what it is. So that is the case. The Vibho and Ananda Murti. Murti means, Vigraha means Ananda Swarupa here. Not simply take body, etc. Ananda Swarupa, who is nothing but Ananda, and Anavadya Kirti, whose Kirti is what? Anavadya. Without Anavadya, Savadya means with defect, with blemish. Savadya means with defect, with blemish. Anavadya means defectless, blemishless, flawless, whose kirti is what? Something totally free from any defect. How come you say, so it is sung where? In Upanishads, in Shruti. In Shruti, the main topic is your Swarupa, Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa. It is extolled there without the least tinge of any defect. Anavadya Kirtehi, Anavadya Kirtehi, and Avikarinaha, one who never undergoes any change vikara, because vikara means sorrow. Any change means sorrow. Janma, marana, growth, decay, disease, death means sorrow. So, avikara murte, avikarinaha, says, avikarinaha, te, to you, says, amushya, ahamadhyasam, amushya, ahamadhyasam vina anyata samsriti. This samsriti means this samsara, without this ahankara is just not possible. Amushya, what is that? Ahamadhyasam vina anyata. Without this ahamadhyasam. See, the Sanskrit word used for ahankara is amushya. Amushya means that. It is derived from word adas. Adas means that. Tat also means that, but there is some distinction. Others is used for that who is present, in the vicinity. Tat is used for the one who is not present, paroksha. For example, see, that railway station, paroksha, it is not here. But that chair, for that chair you have to use others. That station you have to use what? Tak. Amushya. For ahankara, that is used. Why? Though it is taken as I, it is that. It is really not I. Different from I. See, even that Sanskrit, something is involved. Some principle is involved. So that is, really ahankara is what? I. But really ahankara is what? Others. Amushya. That. But why it is for others is present. So you are to mistake it as what? I. So that's why. Amushya. Ahamadhyasam vina. Without the superimposition of ahankara. Anyatha. Anyatha means prakarantarena. By any other means whatsoever. He says, anyatha. क्वापि अन्यथा संस्कृति संसार to you क्वापि न एव संभवति cannot be possible anywhere whatsoever. So with the means culprit, no doubt ajnana, but for practical purpose identification the body, ahankara, notion of I-ness in the body. Therefore, what is to be done now? Get rid of it as early as possible. Don't delay. Don't postpone. I am little busy now. बाद में देखेंगे. Tomorrow देखेंगे. That tomorrow never comes. This is in Sanskrit there is a saying, Shubhasya Shira. Anything good, immediate, don't delay. Because if you delay, you may change your mind. You know, once Krishna went to Karna. Karna was going for bath. Before bath, he was massaging the head and the body with oil. And Karna, so great, because Duryodhana had given him all the riches. So, and the oil was in a bowl. And you know what that bowl was? Not porcelain glass. Golden bowl. Golden bowl, beautiful. And in the left hand, say, he was holding the bowl and massaging the oil. Krishna came and said, hey Karna, will you give me that bowl? So beautiful. Karna didn't delay. He took it in the right hand and gave it. Krishna fired. He said, with a dirty hand you are giving me? Because hand is what? Smeared with oil. Krishna, look here. You asked. Bowl was in my left hand. I have to wash my hand. By the time I wash my hand, if suppose I change my mind, I will not be able to give you. I didn't want to delay. I straight away said. Krishna knew it. Krishna knew it. Not just it. No, he was that. When he was killed, Krishna was so much sorrowful. And do you know who is this Krishna? When Karna's wheel got stuck up in the earth and he was lifting up, means he was not fighting at that time. So Arjuna waited because he is unarmed and he is not fighting, let him come up. Krishna said, Arjuna, what are you looking? Shooting. Arjuna. Then Karna argued, Krishna, how come you know who or know all the Dharma Shastras is asking him to shoot when I am unarmed? Karna, you didn't come to this battlefield unarmed. Arjuna has unarmed you only to kill you and not let you go. He said, Arjuna, don't wait. Shoot him. Arjuna shot him. In fact, even that was also planned. Where it got buried in the earth means what? Don't think there was a pit or anything else. See, it was all strategy. What strategy? Krishna knew that today should be the end of who? Karna. So do you know what Krishna did? He lubricated Arjuna's chariot wheels, especially he himself took the care, otherwise attendants do that. And he kept one oil can also. And then what happened? That is what? So what started? Karna shot Agni Astra. Automatically, Arjuna has to shoot Varuna Astra. Because he has to quench the fire, for which he has to bring the rain. And he shot Varuna Astra. All rain came and the Kurukshetra, that portion, became slushy. And now Arjuna or Krishna was driving the chariot in such a way that to chase Arjuna, Karna has to take his chariot through slushy land. And that is what it is. At one place it got stuck up. There was strategy only. And he has to now lift it up. For lifting up, as a bow and arrow, he has to keep it. But he was killed. The most sorrowful person was Krishna. Arjuna was surprised. Bhagavan, what is this? Our victory, hope of victory is on this. So long as Karna is not killed, we can't get victory. Instead of rejoicing, Bhare Sarva, that is true, Arjuna, but the world has lost a great charitable person. The world has lost a great Dana Shura. You want to see? The battle was over. Arjuna and Krishna disguised themselves in the possessing of two Brahmanas. One elderly Brahmana, Krishna, and young Brahmana, Arjuna. And that nobody, all have returned now to do Sandhya Vandana, etc. These things. And who is lying there? All these dead bodies and bodies who are dying, etc. So Karna was not yet dead, say, he was dying, etc. So, and all quiet, except vultures here and there, all was quiet. And the quiet is saying, somebody was shouting, Karna! 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 So Karna heard. Who was shouting? This old Brahmana. Who is that? Krishna. Karna, Karna. So now Karna came to know somebody is calling me. Who is that? I am here, he said. Here means what was the condition? It was the deathbed. All agony, etc. Blood is flowing out and all the arrows and all that. I am here, he came. Karna. Oh my God, this is your condition. I am very sorry. No, no, what is the matter? Why did you come here? See, I had come, my son's marriage was there. I had no money. I came to get gold from you. Said, don't worry. Please go to the palace. My wife is there. Tell her that I have asked to give. She will give enough gold. No, 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 Karna. I don't want such gold. I want gold from your hand. So wait. You know what he did? He took an arrow and plucked one tooth, which was what they call filled up. What is that? What is the name for that? Dentistry. Cavity filled up. Cavity filled up one with gold. Filled up with an arrow plucked. He removed. Take it, he said. Brahmana is not ready to. Karna, can you give me gold smeared with blood? He understood. He is not in the ordinary position. Agonizing pain and pangs of death. That please wait. He knows it's against the rules. Somehow he grabbed his bow. It's not difficult. Somehow he took the arrow, shot Varunastra, and a fountain of water came, washed the golden sea and gave. Krishna looked at Arjuna. Did you see? Did you see why I was sad? Did you see? He revealed who he is and blessed him. Krishna left the Karna left the so that is it. So that is what is that? Dana Shura, charity. Fine. So that was the avikara. Adhyasam ina अन्यथा प्रकारांतरेण क्व अपि न एव संभवति. So therefore, what is your swarupa? Ananda swarupa. It is robbed away by who? Ahankara. So therefore, don't delay, destroy it as early as possible. This being so, this ahankara is like a great enemy which has been explained with an illustration. So therefore, get rid of that ahankara as early as possible. Continue.
Tasmadahankaramimam swajatrum Gokurvale kantapavatrapitam Vichidya vijnanamahatina putam Bhuksvatmasamrajya sukham yateshtam Anvaya Tasmat Bhoktuhu Gale Kantapavat Prapitam Imam Ahamkaram Swachatrum Vijnanamahatina Vichidya Atma Samrajya Sukham Yatheshtam Bhutam Bhungsva. Again, Tasmat Bhoktuhu Gale Kantapavat Prapitam Imam Ahamkaram Swachatrum Vijnanamahatina Vichidya आत्मसाम्राज्य सुखम यथेष्टम सुतम भुक्ष्व.
Therefore, having destroyed this enemy, enjoy your Paramananda Sarupa to your heart's content. How? Tasmat. Why Tasmat? Therefore. Why? You have been robbed of your Ananda Sarupa because of this enemy, Ahankara, because of Adhyasa. Tasmat. Do you know this enemy is like what? Bhoktuhu gale kantakavat pratitam. The one who is experienced like a thorn in the throat of a person. This is generally possible in the case of those who eat fish. Generally those who eat fish. So at times meat also, some bone piece can create problem possibly. Suppose some thorn pricks in the throat while eating. What the condition? I think there was a case many decades ago. One chief of Indian Army died because of this. I don't know whether retired or this was in the position. In position, no? This position. He died somewhere. See, something stuck. Gone. At times, prarabdha, like the chief minister. These politicians think that they have got mastery over everything. I came to know that he was warned the weather is not conducive, better don't go. But they think that they are accustomed, no, manipulating everything, there also they can, anyway. This happened also in the case of some person. Who is that? Scindia. Rough weather was there and this a brave fellow. So you have to see, they can, but poor condition the pilot. Because they are forced. Because they can't deny us. Pilots and whoever other things, that is been. So they are putting others' life in danger. Anyway, so that is that. So like this, like a thorn in that is the throat of a person who eats, is a great thing, difficult. Even sometimes you know what happens? You don't have thought. Suppose you are taking something viscous and if it goes in the windpipe, you had it. Especially sometimes this viscous syrup, etc. Otherwise, you will be little slow while licking. If you are hasty, go. Then you gasp. Of course, generally it can come out, but it can create danger also as well, depending on how much quantity is there. So but that is okay. But this thorn is more very dangerous. Tasma. I knew one case. A person's denture went. Denture, it went and this thing, and he had to be operated in Nanavati hospital. I know. He was operated. Night sleeping, I don't know how it cough or something. What happened was, it just went. May not be total denture, maybe small one, something like that. Literally, he was in the hospital for many days. He had to be operated for that. So that is that. Now, like a gale kantaka. So now, there is a thorn in the throat while eating. देखेंगे. Let me consider removing it. Even if it is Sunday, we'll try to find out any hospital emergency ward anywhere. Can you wait? No. So that was say, Bhoktu gale kantakat vat pratitam experience imam ahankaram svashatru. This ahankara, who is one's own number one enemy, what you do? Cut asunder, destroy. By what? A great sword. What sword it is? Vijnana Mahasina. Asi means sword. Asina, by sword. And what type of sword? Mahasina, big sword. That is fine, but what is that big sword? Vijnana Mahasina. What is Vijnana? Atma Sakshatkara. Figuratively, Atma Sakshatkara, direct cognition of Atma Sarupa, is described as a sword, big sword of Vichhidya, having totally cut asunder, not simply Chidya, Vichhidya, because simply cut cannot be survive again. Vichhidya, not that fellow should not raise up. See, that's why when a snake is killed, it is burnt. Because beaten that fellow means still not dead, he may remain alive. So burnt means end of it. So like that, Vichhidya, having totally cut asunder, Atma Samrajyam, empire of Atma Sukha. Samrajyam, empire. Empire, why? Because not dependent on anyone else. If kingdom means, either boss king will be there as well. Not that way. No anyadhinam, not dependent on this, on Atma Samrajya Sukham, yatheshtam, to your heart content. Yatheshtam, sputam, clearly means, nice. Yatheshtam, heart content means unobstructed. Unobstructed. Sputam, very clearly, like a fruit on your palm. Hasta amalakava, like a berry on your palm. So very clear. Sputam, what? Bhungshva, anubhava, enjoy. So what is to be taken to? Destruction of ahankara shatru, like a thought in the soul. For which, what is the meaning? Vijnana Maha.
Swasti prajabhya paripalayanta nyayena margena mani manisha gobrahmanebhya shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu kale varshatu parjanyah prithvi vasya sharini yeshoyam shobhanitah brahmana santu nirbhaya om sarve bhavantu sukhinah sarve santu niramaya sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kaschid dukkha bhavet asato ma sattamaya samato ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amrutam gamaya om purnamada purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavashishyate om shanti shanti shanti. Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Hari Om